Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend to lend you his motorcycle. Let's get started. Examination hall, city ABC, date. Dear Osama, my father is seriously ill. He is admitted to the hospital. I am the only one in the house to look after him. I have to go to the market to purchase medicine for him. I have to move back to fetch food. My motorcycle is out of order. It cannot be repaired so soon. I request you to lend me your motorcycle for a few days. I shall use it with care. I shall return it to you as soon as possible. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.